Look at that one. That one looks cool, huh? That bird looks like it's like straight from the Amazon. That one? It's a toucan Sam, huh? The Fruit Loop bird?
Yeah, right here.
That's the Fruit Loop bird, Josiah.
I know.
Does that bird bite?
No, he's a baby.
Oh, okay. Cool, huh?
It stinks still.
Am I able to like put my finger up there?
You might just have neighbor actually, but he don't bite us.
Oh, okay.
Hi, welcome in.
How old is this bird?
That was about 4 months.
Wow.
I'm looking you in the eye.
That's the Fruit Loop bird right there.
That is the Fruit Loop.
Uh-huh.
Fruit Loop.
When they're born, are they already big like that? No, they're little. Oh,
Whoa.
okay. What's up, buddy?
My mom right here.
No, he's good. That's fine. Yeah.
Blueberry.
Give him a blueberry beside.
Want a blueberry? Oh my God.
He's tight. If I had the time to take care of them, I would love to have a bird. What's up, buddy?
Hey, bud.
Where do these birds like originally come from?
Buddy. Hey, buddy.
The Amazon? You see how he's looking at you from the side of his eye? That's cool, huh?
Want a blueberry? Look at.
That's a big one, huh?
Is that the one that?
Wanna hold up? It don't hurt or nothing.
Is that the one who was jumping?
What?
Is that the one who
The
was
humping
jumping?
one?
No, the jumping one.
His haircut is funny. The way his hair is.
Look at, there's the same one right there.
Oh yeah, there's another one down there. How much do these birds go for? $2,500? $2,500 for this bird. Pretty cool, huh?
Okay, on the floor.
Did it poop?
I think it's.
Did it poop?
I'm not sure.
It did, huh?
It poops out blueberries.
What's up, buddy?
I didn't know that it poops out blueberries.
Damn, that shit comes straight out of the digestive system, huh? Like it looks like the actual blueberry. What's up, buddy?
They don't digest their food, so I heard.
It just comes straight out, huh? Hold this aside real quick. Hold it real quick. I want to record it with my phone.
Gotta step back.
I love coming here. I think I've been here like 3 times. Like, hopefully they don't get annoyed.
You guys came with going out, right?
Huh?
Three of you guys have that?
Yeah. We got the toucan Sam Fruit Loop bird. Want to try it? It don't hurt. Like, look.
Fine. Can you put them on you?
Let me take a picture for your mom. Yeah? Hold on. Look at me, Josiah.
Hey. Got it? Okay, you want him? I don't want him anymore.
What?
I don't want him anymore. I don't want him anymore. I don't want him No.
You don't want to feed him?
Oh.
Look at me and smile.
Yeah, I'll give you.
You don't gotta be nervous inside. It's okay.
Go on,
Smile.
bite you.
Here you go. Here you go, buddy.
No, this side got pecan, Sam, Fruit Loop, Bird. He's blueberries. You don't want it? It's probably full, huh?
You know why you don't want it? Because you can't see it.
Oh, that's from the side of his eye,
A
huh?
little bit more of that because of it. You can't see it right.
Oh, yeah.
You can only see to the side.
I seen him how he was looking at me like that. Maybe he might be full. He's just like very, just
Okay,
like,
I'm done. I'm done.
like what is this?
I'm done with them.
You're done with him?
That actually,
Huh?
that actually hurts. It's sad. Oh yeah, when they all got kind What's actually that?
What?
No.
Yeah, all right. This bird looks crazy. He looks like he'll hurt someone. What's up, guy?
What's up, buddy? Why is he going?
Huh?
They're both the same.
This one's pretty cool.
Look, that's the same one that was screaming.
This is like what alcohol is it? Like a pirate bird, huh?
Oh my god. You're biting.
Damn, he can move. My uncle used to like have these birds. My uncle passed away, but he always used to have a parrot. Oh wow.
Big boy, how about big fella?
That's cool.
Look, hey. Hi, buddy. What? Which one can speak?
What?
Which one can speak language?
Like these ones, like the parrots, are usually the ones that could talk, but I don't know if these parrots talk.
Can it talk? Say hi. Hi.
Do any of these birds kind of? Which one was the one? I remember one of them was talking when I came. Yeah, one of them was talking. Oh, okay.
Now we're talking. Say hey. That one only likes men, no women.
It looks like they're.
And she will dance with
It looks like their beaks could take your finger off. Can't they do that? Yeah.
That allowed to feed it from the cage?
I wouldn't feed that one.
I will.
Like it,
Look,
their
they're both
finger.
the same.
Yeah, it's probably boyfriend girlfriend.
This blue is so.
What kind of bird is that one right there? What is it? A lactus?
What are you looking at? There's another one on top. They're the same. There's so many. Look at that one's sleeping. Sleeping.
Knocked out.
He's knocked out.
Wanna go look at the snakes?
No, I'm good.
You don't want to?
I want to hold a bird. That's
You
I
wanna
know
hold a bird?
I already hold a bird. Are you hungry?
You feed it?
Yeah. Here you go, buddy. I'm gonna feed him this is the juicy one. I know this is the juicy.
Oh, he's fast.
He's just exploring. He's just exploring. Blueberry buddy. He doesn't want it. I know. Look at the birds.
Huh?
Make sure you tag us.
Okay. You guys have a thing? Okay. Yeah, I got you.
What's that for?
Their social media. Want to look at the snake? Let's go look. Come on.
No. I'm still holding the blueberries.
That guy, he stole something.
Which one did they steal?
Is it chameleon?
Which one did they steal?
Which one? I think,
Anything out for you?
are these two snakes like you guys are trying to get them to mate?
No, they're all females. Just that we don't have another one. So.
You want to hold the snake?
Nah.
You're scared. He's scared.
Frog.
Looks like they're like kind of sleeping, huh?
Yeah, this is
And a frog.
What are in here? Oh, tarantulas.
yeah, tarantula, scorpions, all of that.
That's a big ass frog.
What's on the bottom? What used to be on the bottom? What used to be on the bottom?
I don't know what that is.
No, on the bottom, the way bottom one.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Oh, look it, I see it, it's right there. He's blending in. Which one this person stole?
I think it's a turtle.
A turtle.
Yeah, look at that turtle, how big he is.
So now the turtle's gone forever?
Dan, look at him up on the top.
He's hanging. Wait, can we buy one?
What?
Are we allowed to buy these things?
Yeah.
I want a bird.
You want a bird? There are a lot of,
Look at that.
they require a lot of attention and care.
Spiders.
Oh, shit. Imagine getting one of these and playing a prank on your mom. What's down there?
That would have been too far.
What is that down there? Oh, I think they eat that.
What is going
They
on?
look scary, you know how they're all furry?
The way they fur.
Little beetles.
Oh, I see beetles.
We gotta get going soon because your mom's bringing us food.
Okay,
I
I'm
want it to
gonna.
be cold.
Look at this one. It's tiny. It's tiny.
Those are cool. I held one of those last time I came in. Pretty fun.
After I'm done finishing with the
Come on, let's
feeding
go. Yeah, let's go.
birds, can we leave now so that we can go home so that my food can't be cold?
Yeah, let's go.
I want to go feed Where did he go?
He went up there.
Oh yeah, he flies all over the court. What?
Have birds ever flew out of here before?
No.
No.
They're close to one farm. Never been. 24 months. Oh yeah, they have been in the house up here.
Oh, really? Did they like build it? Or? Oh, they go inside there?
Yeah, I was flying.
They like to chill in there.
You think we should get a bird?
Yeah. I came here last time. I don't know if you remember us. We have the snake. You let me. Yeah, you're helping us. Yeah, I know. I like to come in here and look at the animals.
Can we buy one?
They're expensive. Besides, we gotta buy another car before we come buy one of these. They're thousands of dollars. These ones are cheaper. The little birds.
The little ones on all the way on the bottom, that corner one, that's $18.
They're what? $18.
Can we get that one, the little one?
Those ones you can train, huh? Yeah. These ones right here, Theirs are like $18, but we just have to buy a cage, and they're loud. They require a lot of attention and care. They're a big responsibility, huh? Like, to care for them, they're like, you have to. Are these parakeets? Oh, parakeets. Are these parakeets?
Yeah, and those are called.
What are they called? Cocktails? See, my dad used to like have these when we were a kid. Parakeets. Which one do you like? What color?
That one there. The bottom one under that little thing.
I think I see like videos on the internet, people like chaining these birds like with colored rings and stuff like that. Like, I wonder how you'd even train them. Do you have any at home, any birds? Yeah.
Yeah, I have a cocktail that and then I also have my mom has a green tea and I have
Some boat. I don't know how to do this one.
And what else?
I have chicken. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's cool. You ready? Our food's gonna get cold.
I just can't.
Okay, give them back to her. Do you want them to throw those away, or do you want to take them? Okay, we're gonna get going. We appreciate you guys. All right, thank you. What was that? Yeah, you got to feed it. Took a picture. Thank you. Yeah, fun.
Yeah.
Last time we came, remember your sisters acted up? So the last time that we came here, we came to this place, we bring his sisters.
Where I forgot where I was at.
No, when we all came together.
Where I was at.
I don't know. But we had came with him and his sisters.
When it was just the three of you guys.
I don't remember. But when we came with him and his sisters, they started crying. They got scared of the birds. So we...
Let me get in on the other side.
Go on, just go around.
I just don't want to.
Just say, go around.
Bruh. Stop. I can't.
Go around.
No, you're gonna honk.
I'm not. Just go. Come on.
No,
So
no. I'm going.
Don't step on me.
I knew you were gonna honk.
So yeah, we came with his sisters and they started crying, so we had to leave. But today he got to actually come in here and hold the bird. It's cool. Now we're going back home. Go eat some McDonald's.
Yes, because we have to go now because our food's gonna get cold.
Damn, it probably is. It's gonna be cold, no doubt. But anyways, there's the birds for you. Like the video and subscribe to the channel now. Thank you for watching.